Hello everyone and welcome back to Thailand More on the Beach. I hope it's not too noisy because I'm standing on a main road. So we're in Krabi. So I've not posted anything for a couple of days. It was just about settling in and meeting people, talking to them about my business venture, to be fair. So now we've got a rough idea of what we're going to do. I thought I'd share that with you after the intro. And also today is Father's Day, so I'm wishing every father in Thailand a happy Father's Day. And later we're going to go to a temple, which is, I believe it belongs to King Rama10, and I think it's one of his projects. So it's a new temple. It was open this year, so I thought I'd take you and take the opportunity to show you around. So what are we doing in Krabi? It's a good question. So I will get into that after the intro. See you in a minute. Bye! Hello everyone, welcome back from the intro. So let's get into it. So as I said before, in 2018-19, I wanted to retire. I had enough of my life in England, working and paying bills, and everything was going up and up and up. I felt that I wasn't getting the quality of life, and I was always helping other people, but not myself. So I thought, well, hey ho, bollocks to everybody else. I'm going to live my best life now, because none of us know how long we've got. So I thought, my best life, on my terms. So if I go back, 2018 was the last time we came here. So this is land in Krabi. So it's a big bit of land. So I'm going to put on here, hopefully, we're going to put on here a Thai teak house, and we're going to have a homestay. So that's our project. So now we're just waiting now to get the costings for level of the land. Once that's done, then we can start the building project of the teak house at the bottom there. We've seen the design we like. I'll show you that later when we start developing it. And of course the coffee shop and reception area. So we might do some food as well, like bed and breakfast, that type of stuff, but not a whole range of meals, probably just a continental breakfast with cereals, that kind of stuff. So I'll keep you posted. Now I was going to do some drone shots of the land, but however, like everything, I could afford a bucket of titties and come out sucking my own thumb. So I bought this drone in the UK about 6 months ago, never tried it, put it into a shipping box, sent it over here, and then paid for the license, paid for the registrations, and the damn thing doesn't bloody work. So hey ho. So not quite sure what I'm going to do there. If I can go to Bangkok, see if someone can sort it all out. But I'm certainly not going to ship it back to wherever it came from. The cost of that alone would be ridiculous. So the cost of probably shipping it might make more sense to get a new drone. Anyway, I'll work on that one. But next time I want to come, I want to show you all the land and the area around here. It's very, very beautiful. So thank you for watching that. So as I say, the family and I are going to go have breakfast, and then we're going to go to a temple. I shaved like a moron this morning. So the family and I are going to go to temple because it's Father's Day, and I'll show you around. Anyway, see you a little later on. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to Thailand More on the Beach. So as I said before, we're now at the temple. So the King of Thailand built this temple. It was completed this year. So the temple's Wat. So this Wat is his temple, and it's named after him. So it's really, really beautiful. So you can just see it behind me, but I just want to show you the gateway. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that stunning? So it looks like it's split into a few parts. We're still building some stuff over there, as you can see. So you've got a Buddha right at the main entrance there. And then look at that. Isn't that stunning? Isn't that stunning? So so we'll have a walk around and we'll discover it together.
How wonderful. It's always nice to see a family making memories. Something these kids will remember for the rest of their lives. The colour and the artwork of this temple is so beautiful. So if you think the colours are striking on the outside, just wait till you see the inside. It doesn't disappoint, does it? It is beautiful. The colours are so vibrant. The artwork is perfect. Its depiction of Buddha's life story and monks, it is just perfect. Isn't it stunning visually? Beautiful. It's always important when visiting a temple to make merit, tambon. This is the first time I've done this form of tambon, but you buy a gold cloth thread. You then get it blessed with the monk. Once you've finished being blessed, you then get to walk it around the shrine, and once you've finished walking around the shrine, you're then blessed again by the monk, and then you then place the cloth around the shrine. What a wonderful way to make tambon with your family. After spending about half an hour in this temple, it certainly doesn't disappoint. It's bright, it's airy, and it's absolutely stunning. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you get me up to 500 subscribers, you could win a gift. one last quick walk around the outside before going home. I found walking around this temple rather humbling. I think maybe because it was new, but it got me to thinking is I visited some really old temples in Thailand dating back hundreds and hundreds of years. So it kind of made me think, how many people when it first got built walked around those old ancient temples, and how many people in the future will be walking around this one? I mean, will this last hundreds of years like the others? Let's hope so. It's the family. So here's one of the buildings under construction which I told you about. So this one is the Thai Chinese temple. Look at that, isn't it beautiful with a pagoda? I can't wait to come back and visit this one when it's been completed. Leave it out in the comments if you want me to come back and film this beautiful temple. Yes, so obviously it's 50 baht for foreigners to get in here, and of course Thais don't pay anything, and why should they? It's their country and their temple. So yeah, it all makes perfect sense. But yeah, is it worth the 50 baht? Yeah, I'd say so. Yeah, it's a beautiful building. If you're in Krabi, come look it up. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that, everyone. So this morning I showed you what my business venture is going to be, and then we've taken you to this beautiful temple which was built by the king. So yeah, really stunning. I hope you enjoyed this journey, and yeah, I look forward to the next one. Not sure what it's going to be yet. As I say, maybe when I get the costings through, I might share them with you and then try and give you a plan, or like a blueprint of what we're going to do. Anyway, take care everyone. I'll see you on the next big adventure. Bye!